guys, welcome back to the channel. And as you can see, your girl hit up Marshall's, and that is because I wanted to go and find these body scrub that this person posted on their Instagram, and I definitely lucked out. I picked up 3 from that brand as well as 3 from a different brand that you will see later on in the video. And I did go ahead and purchase 2 fragrances. One is from Marshall's and the other is from Ross because it was right next door. As of lately, I've really been into fragrances. I don't know if it's because of Ms. Diva Light here on YouTube. She's going through a perfume fragrance kick herself. And I did go ahead and get 2 fragrances for my birthday, so that may have something to do with it as well. But I'm going to share with you the body scrub and the fragrances that I got, so definitely continue to watch. These are the body scrubs that I ended up picking up. They had other ones that she also had, but I ended up going with these 3, and they all are $5.99. I believe she also mentioned she got hers for $5.99, so that's the price across the board. This one, super cute, the Witch Please, and it's in the scent Wicked Apple, and they're foaming body scrub. I never used a foaming body scrub, so I'm very interested in seeing how this works. It is a 20 ounce, and these things smell so delicious. The next one is this one, Keep It Fabulous. Very cute, and this one is in the Scary Berry. Again, really cute packaging. And this last one is Always Be Unique in the Unicorn Dreams with macaroon oil. And this one breaks down as strawberry, kiwi, and apple. I don't know if you can see that, but got those 3. And the next 3 body scrubs are from a different brand. This one is from Onyx Bathhouse, so got those. These are the next 3 body scrubs that I picked up. They are from Body Prescription, and this first one, I'm not a part of this crew as of yet, but one day. And it's the I Do crew, and it's in the scent Vanilla Buttercream, and I just can imagine how delectable this will smell. And the next one is in the scent Sweet Jasmine, and it's Scrub-a-Dub-Dub, really cute and adorable, and I love the colors of the packaging. And the last one is this Winter Berry body scrub, and it just says Joy. These are also $5.99. They're a 21 ounce container, and I just cannot wait to use these scrubs. I'm super excited. Leave me down below if you have any of these scrubs and how you like them, but I doubt I would have any issues with them. And yeah, I went ahead and picked those up. On to the 2 fragrances that I got, and they're just these. This one I picked up from Marshall's the same time that I got the body scrub, and then I hopped over to Ross because it was very close, and I went ahead and picked this one up. This one from Marshall's was $12.99, and it's the Guess Seductive Noir, and a 1 fluid ounce. I've been hearing a lot of great things about this, so I wanted to give it a try, and for $12.99, not bad. So the next one was from Ross again, and it's just this Pop Electric Little Angel. I'm not gonna butcher this name, but I thought it was super adorable, and it was on clearance for $5.49. But this is a half an ounce, so maybe that's why. But yeah, let me know again if you have any of these and how you like them, but I cannot wait to try them. Let me know if you want to see a fragrance collection. Right now I have my 2 luxury, I guess, fragrance, and then I have these designer brand fragrances. But let me know down in the comments below if you want to see my small little collection. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.